So you were just about to quit OFM. Well, you're watching this video for a reason, and maybe even popped up for that specific reason, right? Because this is your fucking sign. Now, I know so many guys who drop out OFM, and it's mainly for the same things over and over again. And it all ties in, so you are not alone in this, okay? Most people drop out for spirituality, religion, or just morals in general. They think, I can't do this, it doesn't sit right with me, it doesn't feel well. But at the same time, they think, oh, I can't do this for the next 5 years, 10 years, right? But you don't need that. You don't need that time and space to actually operate in this business. See this OFM journey of yours as a fucking financial stepping stone to actually doing the things that you want to do, all right? Now, the benefits of OFM is simple. It has low capital entry barrier. You don't need money to start up in this business. And how many other businesses could you say the same about? Drop shipping, e-com, you need to buy the fucking products and this and that. All of it is fucking expensive as fuck. So if you started your OFM journey, now you're watching this video and you're about to quit. So is this going to be one of those other failed businesses of yours? But before you go, think about this. Have you done everything in your power in order to ensure that you are going to be successful in this business to start off with? Because I guarantee fucking not. There are people that are way dumber than you. And I'm not saying you're dumb, but there are people with literally fucking 2-digit IQs, right? That are making 6 figures per month, that are making millions a year, and they're no smarter than you. I promise. They are absolutely fucking retards, because I know a lot of these guys. They have no substance behind them, right? But they know how to make shit work, and they know how to do the simple things right. I'm not a fucking genius. I'm not fucking trying to sound like one or anything. I'm not saying I'm the smartest, but I just know what to do in this business. And it's simple, right? So before you go, have a look at your business structure in OFM. Are you treating this like a fucking fully operation? Like an operation that's still going? An operation that has systems in place, that has teams in place, that's making money for you when you are asleep? Because I don't think so. Because you're about to quit and you're probably still doing the chatting yourself. You're probably doing the marketing yourself. You're probably doing this. If you don't wake up, you're not making money. That cannot fucking go on for too long. I promise. Because when I started out in my OFM journey, I did everything on my own. And guess what? I didn't make any money for the first year. Nothing. Okay? I didn't make fuck all. No profit. I was pissed off. I was about to quit. But at this point, I was on the fucking back run of so many failed businesses that I just simply said to myself, I'm not going to give up on yet another business and fucking add a fail to the scorecard again. I'm not going to fucking do that. And guess what? I won in the end. I fucking won. All it takes is persistence and patience and making sure you are doing the things right. So let's go over it. These are things you need to have in place. First things first. You need to focus on every little skill that involves running this business, okay? Because that's how you need to see it, an actual functioning business. Don't treat it like it's part-time. Don't just half-ass it. None of that. You need to have everything down to the T. And less is more as well. So stop focusing on so much other bullshit, but let's go through it in steps. The first one, let's say you get yourself a model, okay? Is it systemized to the point where the onboarding is near enough perfect where you get it every single time? Or is it just you sign her, you get all excited, then you're like, oh, okay, maybe you need to send me this content, and now you stretch the onboarding out over the course of a week? It needs to all be done on day one, like that, simple, just like this, right? So you need to have the Google Drive, everything set up. You need to have a content sheet of specifically what type of content she's gonna make. You only need an hour or two to research based on her looks, based on what works for her, an actual niche, and stick to it. Simple. Then you send her a list of shit that you need. You need to send her examples of scripts, exactly what she needs to make. Okay? And by the way, in my free Telegram channel, we give this shit away for free. It's completely free. I don't sell bullshit calls. I do this for the love of the game. I do this because I love helping you guys out. And it reminds me of myself when I was first starting and I was thinking, fuck, I wish someone was there to help me. Well, I'm going to do my best for you, okay? Now, the interpersonal relationship skills. as an OFM, I know is thinking, you know, the model is so up here, I can't afford to disrespect her, I can let her walk all over me. Have some fucking respect for yourself. If she's lazy, if she's not wanting to do the work, if she just simply isn't giving you her best effort, you can let her go. There's only one person in your agency who's irreplaceable, and that's you, okay? Everyone else can go. But if you wake up, you can make shit happen in this business. And that's a fucking fact. So stop letting people walk all over you. Stop letting people who, you know, have been in the industry longer, or fucking chatters who say, you know, I have experience loads of, for different agencies, or a model that's just like, oh, I know what to do, and she just leaves you on red and ignores you for days at a time. Fuck them all. Get rid of them all. You need to have everything perfect. If you want to make money quick in this business, it needs to be done right. So have yourself a respectful model. In the call, set out the guidelines, the boundaries, the fucking discipline it takes. The rules. The rules of fucking engagement, right? You need to say, oh, I need you to reply quick. I need you to give content on time. Otherwise, you're gone. Simple as that. Of course, you need to be understanding as well. That's where interpersonal relationships happen. So you need to build up a good partnership, a good relationship with her. But I promise your relationship with her is going to be so much better once you actually start fucking making her money, right? Because if you're not making her money, then her being late with content and everything, it's just going to happen because she's not motivated, all right? So now you have the model set up. Next thing, you want to have chatting in place. So on your inflow, as soon as you put her up, if I'm assuming this is your first model, as soon as you put her up, put the script in, put the smart messages in, and just put all the systems in place. The emojis, everything. So that when a chatter does come on, it's fucking flawless and you can teach them, okay? And I have every single video on my channel in regards to chatting and how to set up your inflow. It's all there for you for free, and I hold nothing back. So you might as well take that free information and use it, because this is what 6-figure agencies, 7-figure agencies are using. You might as well. And how do I know this? Because I teach 6-figure agency owners how to actually implement their systems and perfect their chatting. You know, I don't want to say I'm an expert at chatting, but yeah, I'm a fucking expert at chatting. Simple as that. Like, I haven't met any agency out there who actually has better systems than mine when it comes to chatting. And yet, I still put it out on YouTube for free for you guys. So you might as well take it, okay? Next, getting a chatter. Simple as that. Go to onlinejobs.ph, get yourself a Filipino chatter, $2-3 per hour, done. Oh, I don't have the money to do that, whatever. Bro, you can fucking do that. If you can't afford 6 days, 8-hour shifts, just do half of that, all right? Still, the only thing you need to focus on is getting money in, okay? And when this chatter comes on, you need to be prepared to train them at least 4 to 5 times per week, at least for the first month, at least 20 minutes, every single training session. I don't know how to train chatters. Go on YouTube, sales. It doesn't have to be in regards to chatting, because a lot of agencies are putting bullshit out there. Just YouTube, sales, how to train sales teams, all right? I give away free scripts as well in my Telegram channel. So that is the first step. Go on there, get yourself a free script, and then you can just teach the chatter how to use that script, and simple as, it's done, okay? Now you have the model onboarded, good relationship, no bullshit there, everything's ready. You have your inflow system set up. Now you have your chatter set up, all right? Now you're fucking halfway there, mate. See, it wasn't that hard, simple, okay? Next thing you need to do, marketing. You need to bring traffic in, otherwise how the fuck are you gonna make money? Simple. Instead of focusing on Instagram, TikTok, Reels, fucking X and Reddit, blah, 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 just stick to one avenue and nail it down. You don't need to watch OFM how to do Instagram marketing all the time. You could just go on any Instagram related video outside of OFM and how to make quality reels, how to actually post them with the right captions and the right hashtags and this and that, right? Just all it takes is you learning and wanting to learn in order for you to be successful. And if you're watching this far, that means you are willing to actually stay in this business. You were just looking for an easy way out. So you're not really going to quit now, are you? It's fucking simple. And you can reach out to me as well personally in the Telegram, and I'll reply to you when I can with and answer any of the problems that you're having. Jump on a free call with you, whatever. I just want to help you guys. And I'm not going to try sell you a bullshit course. That's the best part of it all. So I'm generally doing it to help you guys. Because sometimes I see the messages you guys send me and it's like, yo, King, like, it's really helped me. Your videos have really taken my agency to this level, and so on. And it makes my day. Honestly, I find no other pleasure better than this, all right? Helping people. Even if it's just 1 or 2 people per day, per week, it doesn't matter. If I'm changing someone's life with this information that I'm putting out, I'm going to keep making videos because that's all I want to do. I was sick and tired of these guys on YouTube fucking posting all this bullshit, not willing to help you, calling you a fucking idiot, calling you dumb, making you feel like you don't have what it takes to be successful. I've been there. I've watched those videos and I felt like a fucking idiot. But now, being on the other side of it, I don't want you to feel like that. You are more than enough to be successful in this business. You have everything that it takes. You have the ammunition. The information is freely available to you. You can do this. I promise. So don't fucking quit. Don't let this be another fail on your score sheet. All right? Don't go back to your 9 to 5. Why the fuck would you do that? Just suffer a little longer. Just suffer a little longer and you will be successful, I promise. So now you have the marketing down, you have the chatting down, you have the model relationship down, you have the systems down. What's next? That's all. Perfect that for one model, scale to the next. Simple as. If you ask questions like, oh, I can't find a model, you just haven't done it long enough. There's nothing wrong with being in a job and still doing the outreach. Once you get a model, setting everything up, and once it's running, quitting your job, you can do that. But make sure you are taking the time to actually focus solely on your business and becoming the best businessman ever. So if you need motivation to stay in, and obviously it's not going to be because you love the business or whatever, that's not what it's going to be, okay? It's just simply not what it's going to be. You can be successful in this business by honing down your skills, being the best businessman that you can be, fixing your skills, and using this financial stepping stone of OFM, making as much money as possible, and then maybe start investing in real estate. Maybe start investing in other avenues or whatever. But you can fucking do this, I promise. All right? So don't quit. Don't listen to what anyone else is saying. You can fucking do it. And if you need to reach out personally to me, right, so that you need that extra motivation or that extra help, I can fucking more than do that for you. All right? I could do that for you. No problem. And I'll fucking love to. All right? So watch all my videos. They have all the best fucking content in terms of what you need to do, specifics, instructions, how to do's, 0 to 10K. I'll break it down for you. Okay? But don't fucking quit. You are so fucking close. Do not quit. Do not let yourself down. You've been in this business for a reason. All right? Now, I'm not going to motivate you anymore. If you still want to quit after watching this, I respect your decision. But end of the day, you can still win.